Welcome to Cloud Infrastructure Services YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to show you how you can set up a two-factor authentication on WordPress.com. So simply head over to WordPress.com or WordPress.org, whichever one that you are using, and then log in into your account. Now once you have logged in into your account, simply click on this top right icon, which is your profile icon. You might even have your display picture right over here. Click on it and this page would open up. Now this is your profile page. Now this contains all of the information regarding your profile. So what you're going to do is that you're going to simply head over to these tabs and go over to security. Now here you can see that it says that we have the password checked out, the account email checked out, but we do not have the two-step authentication. Now simply click on it to start the setup process, and then it opens up this page where you get two different options for the two-step authentication. Now the two options are to use an application on your mobile phone to get the two-step authentication codes, which can be Google Authenticator or some other authenticator, or we can set up the authentication with my mobile number. So I'm just going to go with the setup using SMS and then click on get started. After that, you're going to simply choose your country code and then the mobile number. So I'm going to type my mobile number right over here. Once that is done, simply click on continue, and then the WordPress.com is going to send you a message on your mobile number. Now I'm going to put up a screenshot of that message right in this video. Now as you can see in the screenshot that the WordPress verification code for me is 8656506. Now after you have entered the code that you have received on the SMS, simply click on enable. After that, it is going to give you these list of backup codes. So make sure to click on this button and download the codes and save them in a secure file. After that, simply click on this checkbox that says I have printed or saved these codes, and then simply click on all finished. Now your two-factor authentication has been added to WordPress. So now if I simply click on security once more, you can see that the two-step authentication has now been marked as tick. Now if you want to remove this two-factor authentication, then we can simply click on it and then click on this option that says disable the two-step authentication. Then it is going to ask you to provide the verification code. So the verification code again has been sent to your mobile number. So simply type that code in and then click on disable two-step authentication. Now this is going to disable the two-factor authentication. So now let's talk about setting up a two-factor authentication using a mobile app, and for this we are going to be using the Google Authenticator application. So simply click on get started and then it is going to show you a QR code. After that, on your mobile phone, simply open up the authenticator, click on get started and then click on scan a QR code. And then you're going to simply scan the QR code on your laptop, and then it is going to show you a password or a code to log in. So simply type that code in and then click on enable. Now again you will be provided with a list of backup codes, so simply download the codes, click on I have printed or saved these codes and then click on all finished. Now your two-factor authentication has been set up by using Google Authenticator. Now again, if you want to disable the two-factor authentication at any given point, simply click on disable two-step authentication. Additionally, you can check out the WordPress single sign-on plugin that is developed by the WordPress security experts. Now this plugin comes with a lot of different SSO features, which are WordPress single sign-on, attribute mapping, protecting your website because this is developed by the security experts, and auto redirecting of SSO, and most importantly it has the WordPress role mapping. It even has the multi-environment support for migration, development, staging and production stages. It has single logout and it can be used to automate the user creation. So the link for this WordPress SSO plugin and the blog post for SSO plugin would be in the description box as well. Anyways, that brings us to the end of this tutorial on how to set up the two-factor authentication on WordPress.com. Now if you have learned anything new, then like this video and subscribe to the channel.